All right, here's a little trick for the KB guys that have the rear inlet that blocks you from getting your arm down to the firewall to install the sound tube. So basically this is just a little string with a loop on the end here. And this is a loop, as you can see, that kind of self-tightens. I got a tape to this aluminum rod. You could use a coat hanger. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna fish it through from the inside. You gotta have somebody do this for you, fish it through. This is gonna give you a chance to go ahead and grab it because the rear KB inlet's gonna be sitting on top there, and it's gonna kind of hard to get your hand in there. So you're gonna grab it, and then you just pull the coat hanger off. Then you take the loop and you just put it around right to this right over this rib right here, and it's going to self-tighten. So at this point you won't even have to really push at all. You're just going to have the guy on the inside there just pull, and once they get to the point where they can see it, they might, you know, if it comes down here, something like that, they're going to be watching. You just kind of move it around and guide it right into the hole, and then boom, you're gonna be able to pull it through with the string, just like that, and you're golden. Otherwise, without this little trick for the KB setup, it's gonna be really hard to be able to see this and push it in. So that's gonna do it for you.